We're here at the Sherwin-Williams store in Burlington, checking out the new Emerald paint line, and Susan's about to show me some sick colors that they have.
So I saw one of their new colors. It's called Crooked River. It's really, really pretty. What do you think?
I would use that in many rooms. My library.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I have a library with no books. I have my cigar room. I don't even have one of those, but it sounds cool.
No, you don't.
I have none of those rooms, just for the
No.
record. But if I did, I would put this color in it.
Right. This color is really pretty. A lot of people sometimes look at dark colors and they don't know what to do with them. So we're going to talk about a color like this and think about where would you use it? What would you do with this?
Are you pop quizzing me?
I'm pop quizzing you.
Okay.
Or I can just tell you what I came up with. But go ahead.
How many rooms do I get to pick?
I mean,
How many different places would you use it?
I would use it. My first thought was a kitchen island because I
Nope.
think,
Can't do it.
why not?
Because it's such a sick color that you're gonna burn yourself making bacon because you're gonna be like this. Ah! It's a beautiful green. Green is serene. I wasn't trying to do that on purpose either.
You could order like unfinished cabinets, do an island with that, and then paint it this color. This could also be two-tone, where all your lower cabinets could be this color, and then your upper cabinets could be white. Because it is a dark color, so you don't want it to overpower the kitchen. You want to use it as an accent. You do white cabinets, wood floor, neutral countertop, and then probably a neutral backsplash. You could go lighter or darker with this if you want to keep it lighter, or if you wanted to add some more color. That would be really pretty. You could use it in a laundry room.
They should have called it versatile, because that's what it is.
That's what it is.
You can use it with a lot of
It
different
actually
stuff.
looks good with brushed nickels, brushed gold,
That's-
and black.
that's
It
what I
does
mean.
look good with all of those. If you had a really neutral kitchen, you could bring this color into the pantry too. Either in the pantry or like on a pantry door, you could use this color. It'd be pretty. So there's a lot of places you can use dark colors, I think, as an accent. And thinking about what else it can go with, it looks really nice with the grazes and the white and all these neutrals.
You know what it goes really well with? You always tell me woods go with greens.
Woods do go with greens, yeah. So we have this wood here. This is a wood tile. We move all these things out of the way. It looks really pretty with
look at
wood.
that.
I would use it in small doses. An island, bathroom vanity, laundry cabinets, pantry cabinets.
You don't want to do like a whole big giant like great room in this
Yeah,
color,
I don't
'cause
think
you
I
feel
would. It might be too much. It's a really pretty accent color.
like this one's like a less is more.
Yeah.
Like you want it to stand out.
You want
It's
people to
gotta
come
be-
and go, ooh, that's nice, not whoa, that's green. So that's Crooked River.